Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saukar Naule. My clinic, World Class Dental Clinic, is located in Pune on FC Road. So today I am making this video especially for my patient who ask us what is post and core, why it is needed, what are the indication, what are the contraindication. So post and core is the procedure where it is mostly done after the root canal treatment, where there is too much of tooth structure has lost and we have to maintain that tooth, provide proper crown. That time post and core is given. So basically post and core is like we are building a framework of lost tooth structure with the help of pillars as well as giving a core to it. The pillar which will we are inserted into the canals is known as post, and around which what build up we are doing is known as core. So that is post and core. Post is inserted into the root canal, and around which the just like around the pillar we build the whole house, we have to do the core build up, that is known as core. So this is post and core. So why it is recommended? Most of the time when patient comes to clinic and to us, that time there is too much of decay, and once we try to remove all the decay, all that time that cavity becomes so big that it is very difficult to do the crown cutting, maintain that tooth structure in long term. In such cases we have to give the additional support to the tooth structure, build that lost tooth structure, so that the crowns what we are providing after the root canal treatment will remain inside patient's mouth for longer duration. To increase the longevity of treatment what we are doing, we do the post and core. Okay, so post and core basically done with the metal post as well as fiber post. There are two types. Metal post is made up of metal and fiber is made up of fiber or transparent material. Most of the time in anterior tooth we use fiber post, posterior tooth we use metal post, or nowadays the fiber post are so good, most of the time in posteriors also we are using fiber post. The core build up material, there are different type of material, but most commonly used material is composite. Then there is a amalgam also, it can be used, that is silver filling. Then the miracle mix, then the GIC. There are multiple materials which are used for the core buildup. Once the post and core is done, then we do the crown cutting, and over that we provide a crown. So indications where the tooth structure loss is too much, that time we do post and core. Sometimes we have to do intentional post and core procedure where the angulation of tooth is so weird that we need to reduce the angulation. That time we do the crown cutting and provide post so that the angulation of the tooth can be changed. In such cases also post and core indicated. Like intentional RCT cases where we are doing smile makeover. So these are the basic indication. Again the contraindication I'll say the cases where it is actually not needed, like the normal tooth which we have done the RCT and the decay is not much. In such cases we don't advise post and core. Hope this video must have helped you to understand the basic concept of post and core, how it's done and what type of material is used. Do like my channel guys, subscribe it. Bye bye, take care.